Have you ever wanted to keep something on hand for bruising and swelling before you actually need it? That's what this is for, and I gotta be honest with you, I never knew something like this existed. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out and to share with you guys. So this is an extra strength Arnica Bruise cream, and I did want to mention that I'm actually not going to apply it because I don't actually have any bruises right now. But this is the kind of product that would be really nice to have ready for those everyday bumps and areas of swelling. I'm thinking even sometimes, when you bump into something and you get a pretty big bruise, I've actually done that before bumping into furniture. It is actually made for thin and sensitive skin and includes Arnica Montana Plus vitamins K, C, and E. It is also fragrance-free and free from harsh chemicals, which is a big plus because it's not going to irritate facial skin. I do want to make sure you understand you can use this on your face. It also has coconut oil and shea butter, so it gives deep penetration without leaving behind a greasy, sticky residue. So it feels like a practical product to keep in your cabinet for teens, adults, seniors, if you're looking for something gentle but still really targeted for bruising. If you are looking for a bruise cream that is hydrating, fragrance-free, and made for sensitive skin, this is definitely one that I think you're going to want to check out.